Sobrang bait niya. Sobrang bait ni Sofia. She's so down to earth, sobrang humble, and sobrang saya na we got to be closer with her. Yeah. We met her nung pumunta yung group niya here. We met them backstage. Di siya performance eh.
Like a collaboration with them.
Yes. Ayun. We met her. She was really kind.
On Rana.
Yeah. And nag-vibe kami. So,
yes. Nag-British Filipino queens. Yeah.
sobrang bait niya. Sobrang bait ni Sofia. She's so down to earth, sobrang humble, and sobrang saya na we got to be closer with her. Yeah.
Just her singing, like it's really great to see because like she's in a group as well and she shines and we know absolutely how bright she shines, but her being in her natural element, just singing karaoke there like as a Filipina queen with all her Filipino friends, she had all talent. It's so great and she was just so happy to be in the Philippines as well.
Tsaka sobrang saya na makita yung roots niya yung theater roots niya. Kumanta kasi siya ng ng
Wicked.
So dun, di ba, we see her as a pop star, ganyan. And pag nagpadag mo siya na kumakanta ng theater roots niya, parang, yan sis,
Makikita ko
yeah. Kasi, wow, kilaban. Also, her mom, nandun yung mom niya.
Yes, you're like, no, keep singing.
Si Sophia,
Si Sophia talaga nag-libot siya sa buong tapos binibigay niya talaga yung mic. How can you sing?
Yes.
No to the birthday girl.
Si Sophia, birthday na yun. So, pinagbigyan mo siya.
Yes.
So, si Sophia yung, si Sophia.
Ang kaya ka namin.
Rolling in the deep. I'd like to believe yes.
Ang dami na po nag-represent ng P-pop ngayon. Lahat po sila nakakapag-sold out na ng concerts. Magkakaroon po sila ng world tour. So, talagang
internationally. And masasabi ko po talaga, yung lugar na po saan yung P-pop ngayon, iba na yung wave eh. Sobrang iba na and sobrang grateful kami syempre sa mga nauna sa amin sa pagpupursige kasi mas nagpupursige kami. Ganun. To grow
just
back.
keep flourishing. And sana, imagine, hindi siya makita sa competition talaga.
Imagine mo, different P-pop groups nagsusold out ng mga iba't ibang stadium.
Yeah.
Kakaiba yun.
Ayoko mag-imagine ng mga goals for P-pop kasi it's gonna be less.
Ang dami na eh.
Things will just happen and surprise us all. Like, oh my gosh, gumagawa ng P-pop girl.
Nangyayari na talaga.
It's happening already.
P-pop artists, thank you dahil lumalaban ka. Wow, ay, grabe. Dahil this path is not easy and I'm so just proud of all the P-pop artists pursuing this route sa industry. And nakaka-proud lang na we see them flourishing. But sa Bullets naman, thank you so much Bullets dahil andyan pa rin kayo sa pagsuporta sa amin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mas palakihin pa natin ang ating pamilya. Yeah.
Yes. And also, like what AJ said sa mga P-pop idols, huwag niyong kakalimutan na lumaban lang and talagang lumaban na kayo, pray to God, kailangan niya yan. And also, sa mga Bullets, mahal namin kayo. Thank you for not leaving us, for staying with us. To everyone in this industry, stay true to yourself. Don't forget why you started. Surround yourself with people in your personal life who really care about you, your mental health, and your physical health. Yeah. And sa lahat ng mga Bullets, palagi ko sinasabi, you guys have the evidence that our dreams are turning into reality. So thank you so much. We love you genuinely and you really uplift us.